Guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey from Kpop Demon Hunter with this golden look in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Alright, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to make it black. And then put on this hairstyle. You're going to choose only bangs and then you can do this adjustment. Okay, you can copy my adjustment and put on this bang. You're going to do adjustment as well. This is for the position, rotate, and then scale. Okay, and the next one, you're going to put on this necklace, make it gold for all the selection, and then this microphone and this necklace from the Valentine update. Okay, and then you're going to put on this jacket from the masculine item and then you're going to make it glitter for the first selection and make it black, and for the next selection make it gold, and for the third selection make it gold as well, and also the last selection, and then you're going to make them all glitter. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this area and put on this top and make it black. Okay, and I'm going to put on this skirt. For this skirt, I'm going to apply the white color and also black. Alright, and then I'm going to make it metallic for all the selection. Okay, and put on this boots, and I'm going to make it metallic for the first selection and apply white color and then apply gold, and for the third selection make it gold. Okay, and then the next one, go to the dressing room and you're going to go to the curves item and put on this dress, make it top only, and you're going to make it black and gold for the second selection and also the third selection. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.